Hey there, what's going on? We're going to do another analysis of why you should spend US dollars to buy Satoshis. No, seriously. Okay, so if you're like me and you like to take vacations, unfortunately, in the society that we live in, you can only take about one vacation per year if you're lucky. If you can afford it, especially nowadays at 2025, forget about it. There's no way. There's no fucking way you can take one vacation a year when there's like so much inflation, people are getting laid off of work. There's just, you can't do it. So, this is what I'm trying to explain to you and why I'm telling you that you need to invest. Obviously, not financial advice. Don't listen to me. I'm just some guy on the internet. I'm just talking about my experience. Now, after that, if you were to invest 200 American dollars today, you would get 211,000 Satoshis. And like I said in my previous videos, excuse me, 211,000 Satoshis in 4 to 9 years will be equivalent, one Satoshi will be equivalent to $1 American. Yes, I will repeat that. One Satoshi will be worth $1 American in 4 to 9 years. This is why it's very imperative that you buy Bitcoin, because the train is about to take off and you need to hop on before it leaves. If you have $200, excuse me, goddamn, if you have $200 sitting in your account, or if it's in another investment, please do yourself a favor. Use it to buy Bitcoin. You know why? Because your $200 today will be 211,000 tomorrow. Now, I asked Perplexity, and I greatly recommend that you download and use Perplexity because it is a logic-based search engine, AI thingamajiggy, whatever, and it gives you non-biased results and information. It doesn't choose one side or the other because of culture or whatever the hell you want to talk about. It's just pure facts. Okay, how much is 2 weeks vacation cost? For one person, the average cost for a 1 week vacation in the US is approximately $1,991. Therefore, 2 weeks, this would be about $3,982. Not bad for one person. For two people, now, if you have a significant other, congratulations, I'm very happy for you. For two people, a week-long vacation for two people averages around $3,969. Thus, for 2 weeks, the total would be about $7,938. That's a lot of money. And if that calculation is based on like real time inflation and all that other bullshit, I didn't ask it that, but whatever. For a family, for families, if you are a family, you got your kids, you got your mom and your dad who are old farts or whatever, and they want to come along to beach and hang out with you guys. That's amazing. Sorry, it says a family of four, so scratch out your your old mom and dad. A family of four can expect to spend around $7,936 for a week. For 2 weeks, this would amount to approximately $15,872. That's a lot of money, not just for four people, not just for two people, but even for one person. Almost $4,000 for 2 weeks. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. So then I asked another question. I says, how much would it cost for the whole year to take a vacation? Again, for one person, it would cost $103,000. For two people with your lovely significant other, it would cost $207,000. We're going to scratch the family because, people don't even want to have a family anymore. Whatever, not my business. Anyway, we're going to focus on two people because majority of people who travel are couples. So $207,000. Then you go back to, what was I talking about before? Satoshis, 211,000. That's crazy. Where is my Perplexity? There we go. 207. That's vacationing an entire year without having to go back home, going back to work, having to deal with all the bullshit in real life. 365 days, 52 weeks, you are on vacation, chilling, doing whatever the fuck you want to do, and life is great. Great. And that all happens because you were smart and you listened to me and you invested $200 American in Bitcoin today. And then you would immediately, within seconds, you would acquire 211,000 future dollars because Satoshis will be American dollars in 49 years. 429 years, not 49, 429. So please, trust me, invest as soon as possible. Keep stacking your Satoshis because 200 is not enough. And think about it. That much Satoshis, if you're a single person like me, you can take a vacation for 2 years straight, no worries. That's amazing. So, buy Bitcoin with your shitty fiat dollars and acquire as much Satoshi as you can because $200 ain't enough. I would suggest if you are smart, you would at least, I don't know, what's $2,000? 2 million? No. Let's just say like an even 5, if you're lucky. Get to that number, $5,000. That'll have 5.28 million Satoshis. And when it becomes a dollar per Satoshi, you got $5 million right there. Now we're going to do a little calculation. How would we calculate this? I don't know. $5,000 a month times 12 months equals 60. Then times that by like 50 years. Boom. Oh, well, you got more money. You can spend $5,000 a month every month for the rest of your life without having to work, and you're set. You get to include vacations, etc. Let's try 7,000. $7,000 a month, that would be yours in that $5 million 5 million Satoshis. Times that by 12, $84,000 a year. Times that by 50 years. Let's just say you're an old fart like me. I'm 34. Not that I'm saying other people are old farts. I'm just saying I feel pretty old. $4,200,000. You get to spend, what did I say? $7,000 a month, every month for 50 years, and you still would have like 1,080,000 Satoshis, which would equal, each of them would be $1. So please, trust me, invest in Satoshis, buy your Bitcoin. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what it is that you want to do when you become a multi-millionaire with your Satoshis. All right, have a good day.